Hey everyone, welcome to the Little Blue Skiff. This is John. I'm at Diggy Dock again with the Hunky Dory. Welcome and thanks for joining me today. I'll show you the boat sitting in the water. I'm not going to put up the mast today. I'm just going to row it around a little bit. All right, I'm out on the water now. Pretty simple to get out here, so it's a very calm day here on Lake Virginia. Panning around the lake. Not a great sailing day. It's kind of like glass. All right, definitely switch positions rowing. I'll flip it around. So now I'm just rowing forward, looking at the bow. To me, that makes more sense. I can see where I'm going. Anyways, beautiful lake. It's almost very much like glass today. Hello. So with the Hunky Dory, just rowing it, you know, I can get to places where I can't get the skiff because of weeds and such, but the draft is only a couple inches here on this one. It's a nice area on Lake Virginia, looking through to the other shore, other lake next to it. Now you can see all the eelgrass in the water at this entrance. So with the powerboat and engine, that's going to wrap around that'll wrap around your prop. Kind of hard to navigate and film rowing, but it's pretty cool. I'm just drifting through this tunnel here. It's a very quiet day. You can hear I think that's a blue jay. There it is in the tunnel. Just looking around this lake. Yeah, a lot of eelgrass. So hard to take the Little Blue Skiff in here just because of that vegetation. But it's a beautiful lake. Park. Some huge houses. So this is the Genius Canal going into Lake Virginia. Here is the exit to Genius Canal going into Lake Virginia. This is the view pointing at Dinky Dock where I started. You can see the boat's just get really affected by the wind. The bow catches the wind like a sail. So that's a consideration I need to have as I start sailing it, that the bow actually works as a sail. Alright, now I'd say after rowing it a little bit, it's definitely going forward, rowing forward is the better way to go. It's much easier and more intuitive to handle for me, so that's what I'm going to do. Spin around, you can see the bow where I'm facing the bow. Anyways, looks like it's getting a little windier on the late unsheltered portion of the lake. And they still have these boat tours going by. You can see them in the pontoon boats. It's very satisfying to be sitting in a boat that you built, a very stable rowing platform, and eventually be sailing it. Alright, what I'm learning rowing this thing is there is a large surface area of the boat that catches the wind, so I think I was having problems tacking the boat on a non-film day where I was just putting up the sails. I can see why. I'm going to have to build up a lot of speed and then tack really quick across the wind on this boat, because the hull, I'll show you around the hull, it's pretty high up out of the water. And so you can see I'm not doing anything. The boat's starting to turn around on its own. So, you know, it's one of those things you just learn. Right, here I am on the other side of Dinky Dock. You can see the tour boats going by. Well, I'm just having such a nice time on this boat today rowing that I think I'm going to leave it at that and leave it till next time to turn the boat over and try to bail it out. Spent more time just easily rowing through and filming. You know, if you like this content, I have videos on the construction of the Hunky Dory, as well as some of the other testing that I've been doing, including this one. And then I have a whole bunch of videos on the little Blue Skiff, and I'd appreciate you taking a look at those. If you like them, I'd appreciate a subscribe and a like, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, everyone.